All right, good morning. Okay. The title, don't get scared, it seems complicated, but it's really not. Central tendencies is just a big fancy word for mean, median, and mode, which those right now seem scary too, but we'll get it. Oh, that worked on the other one. Okay. All right, so the formal definition you can read in your note packet. Pretty much the mean is the average. And with grades, you've heard of averages before. So we've even discussed in here before about averages. Way to remember the mean that's being called me, just think of, it is really mean of the teacher to be asking me to do all this work. Seems like there's a lot to it, but it's doable. And let's see why thinking of that can help you remember that vocab word. Okay, so first thing that we have to do is add up all of the scores. Okay, not on pen. I want blue. Okay. Okay, so take all the scores. So we have 47 plus 40 plus 43, plus 45, plus 49, plus 41, plus 49, plus 44, plus 43, plus 41, plus 44, plus 49, plus 40, plus 50, plus 41, plus 44. So all that. All right, so let's get our calculator. And I have an L calculator. I'll get a different one. Okay, the calculator, and let's add them all up. So 47 plus 40 plus 43 plus 45 plus 49 plus 41 plus 49 plus 44 plus 43 plus 41 plus 44 plus 49 plus 44 plus 50 plus 41 plus 44. I got 714. Okay? Well, then the second thing, we need to divide that number by the total numbers we have. So, it says, this table shows the quiz scores for 16 students. Find the mean. Okay? So, we added all the numbers up, got 714, and then there's 16 numbers total, so we divide by 16. So 714 divided by 16. And I got 44.625. Alright, well, three numbers, we can leave it as that. We don't have to round, but you can if you want to. So the average score on this quiz was a 44.625. Those quiz scores are pretty low, so maybe it was out of 50 and everyone got an A. All right, look at the next one. Okay, again, we're going to find the mean. So this is the same problem. They just showed right here. They added up all of the numbers and got 714. And then 16 students, so they divided by 16, and they got the same answer of 44.625 for the average, or the mean, on the quiz scores. So now going through this one problem, it was a little bit mean to add up all those numbers. So that's a way to remember average means mean. Right? So let's try this one. Adam, he earned $14, $10, $12, $15, and $13. So that's 5. So let's go ahead and put that down. We have 5 numbers. All right, by doing chores around his house, what is the mean amount Adam earned doing these chores? All right, so the first thing we have to do is add up all the numbers. So 14 plus 10 plus 12 plus 15 plus 13, and then we divide by the total number, which is 5. Okay, so let's go ahead, add up the numbers. And I got 64. But as you know, these calculators can't always trust. Don't know why. And bring the 5 over. So that we have 64 divided by 5. So divided by 5, and I got 12.8. Hey, but we're talking about money, so $sign in front. And remember, with money, can't leave it with just one decimal point. You have to put the 0. So $12.80 is the average amount Adam got for each chore that he did. All right, more vocab. You can read in your packet the big long definition for median and mode. Okay, median is the middle, mode is the most often. To me, that's easier to remember. Okay, so that is important. We're going to do median first. So the number of DVDs rented during 1 week at the Starstruck movie rental is shown in the table. What is the mean, median, and mode of the data? So first, median. So Sunday, 55, Monday, 34, Tuesday, 35, Wednesday, 34, Thursday, 57, Friday, 78, and Saturday, 106. Okay. So, step 1, we need to order all these numbers from least to greatest. So let's look, the smallest number, 34. Cross it off. Oh, there's another 34. Cross that one off. So the next smallest, 35. Cross it off. The next one, 55. Then 57. Then 78. And then we finish with the biggest number of 106. Right? So, step 1 done. All right, step 2, you need to mark off going from different sides to get in the middle. Okay? So, what I do, mark one side and the other. Okay? So we'll do next. Boom. We'll do it again because we're not yet in the middle. Boom. Oh, left with one number. And that is my answer. The median is 55. The number in the middle, 55. And that is my answer. Okay. So, all the numbers in order. Oh, okay. So, mode. We have all the numbers in order. Yes. So, step 1, put them in order. I copied this list straight from right here. We already had it done, so just copy the list again. Okay. Next, look for repeating numbers. So, 34. I have another 34. So I'll circle them together. 35. It's the only one. 55. The only one. Cross it off. 57. It's the only one. Cross it off. 78. Only one. Cross it off. And 106. Only one. Cross it off. Well, 34. I have multiple, so it's the most often number, or the mode. So the answer would be 34. All right, and the mean. Okay, so we add them all up and divide. So plus, 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 and it's a week. And we know there's 7 days in a week, or we can count the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and divide it by 7. So let's go ahead and add up all these numbers. 199. And then divide by 7, 57. So the mean or the average number of DVDs that were rented each day, 57. So try this one yourself. It will be on page 12 of your note packet. So go ahead, pause the video, and try both of these problems. Okay. So let's check your answers. Okay. So for the first problem, the mean is 24.25, the median is 24, and the mode is 24. The second problem, the mean 19, the median 17, and the mode is 14. If you have any questions over either of these problems in the Google Classroom where you have this video, you can video yourself signing and upload it in I'll respond, or in the comments you can just type in English and upload that too for any questions that you have. Great. So your homework over this is the skills page 8.2. It will be due tomorrow. Do the whole page and try your best.